Have you ever wanted to click on a button or type something on a computer, but you couldn't? Because you are holding an object, or a baby, or driving a car. So basically, your hands were busy in performing some task that stopped you from using computers. And this is called situationally induced impairment. Imagine, users with a disability experience this every single time. And according to the latest survey by the Center on Disability, nearly 75% of the Americans with a motor disability are unemployed today. And this is mainly because they cannot work on computers. Well, this won't be a problem anymore, because my research is going to enable these individuals work on a computer using their eye movements. Now, primarily there are two operations that we perform on a computer, clicking and typing. So how do we achieve these two tasks using eye movements? I use a technology called eye tracking, which is basically a web camera-like device that's placed in front of the computer. This provides information about where on the screen you are looking. My algorithm takes this information and translates that into mouse movements. That is, wherever you look on the screen, the cursor is already moving to those positions. So, assuming that if this is a button and then you are looking at the button, the cursor is already over the button. But how do you click it? I've also developed a wearable sensor that can be placed inside the shoe of the user. And all it takes is a gentle press on the sensor to perform a click. So with your eyes you are pointing, and with your foot you are clicking. But there's a limitation. Users with a disability in their legs cannot perform foot clicks. And in such scenarios, users click on the target by continuously looking at it for 200 milliseconds. And this is called dwelling. Okay? We heard about clicking. Next, how do we type? I extended my previous solution in which the user is shown a software keyboard on the screen, and the user looks at different characters and selects them either with foot clicks or dwelling to enter the desired text. And using this method, users type with a speed of nearly 16 words per minute. Furthermore, my solutions to clicking and typing costs a maximum of $200 compared to existing bulky alternatives that cost nearly $16,000. In summary, my research enables an individual to perform basic operations on a computer using eye movements, and this makes a huge difference in the life of someone with a disability. And in the future, my vision is to make this low-cost technology available on every single computer. Thank you.